All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to explore the cyanogen bromide mechanism in our continuing review for test 4. And let's look for how we can circle things to make our lives a little easier. Everything after this nitrogen is here. Let's label that. It's R. And anything to the left we can label, sure. Everything up to this nitrogen, but don't include it. R prime. There you go. The thing about the cyanogen bromide is the sulfur is the nucleophile. That's why it only works with methionine. I need a nucleophile. I don't know why I have my safety glasses on. There we go. And we're going to go red first. And we have blue second. I think we're going to sneak some purple in. And we're going to hit it up with, oh, that goes right into my red title. Shame on me. Don't, oh, I missed the cyanogen bromide entirely. Problem with being right-handed. Your right hand's in the way, covering up things you need to see. There you go. Pi breaks first, yes, of course. Then the lone pair on the nitrogen comes back in step 2. And boots off the leaving group, bromide. And you've got your R prime R combination with an NH. Oh, I don't think I left enough room there. S. CH3 is over here. And now we got a bond with C triple N. Sulfur is a plus charge. Hold that call. That's a sulfonium. And NH is attached to that C up there, which attaches to a carbonyl, which attaches to NH. We have room after all. And then we need to make a ring. We got a resonating nitrogen over there on the right. Going to make a ring. Remember, the ring you make first before having a carbonyl here to make a lactone. That's a lactone. Is an iminium first. That's an N double bonded to C instead of an O double bonded to C. So that's the N that's going to give you your double bond to C, and then you're going to do hydrolysis. So we resonate in. The carbonyl oxygen actually attacks. What? Carbon. Is that right? CH2, CH2, and O, CH2. Attacks the carbon, sorry, thinking out loud here, that has this sulfonium leaving group on it. Look at that, all in one color. And didn't need 2 colors this time. Not a long mechanism. R, N, H, to a carbon that has an oxygen, and outside double bond NH. I suppose I could have taken that H off, but I don't need to. Plus, and then that oxygen is attached to a CH2. I realize I made a mistake. I know. You guys are so kind. We'll fix it as we go. What is that N attached to? A C that goes to a C with a double bond. A C that goes to a C with a double bond. CH2, CH2, O. Doesn't look great, but it's good. There's a 5-membered ring in there. It is the hydrolysis precursor to this. We also generated our leaving group right there. And did we kick the rest of the molecule off yet? No, we're about to. Water time. Do what you oughta. Add some water. Probably a two-step solution in the offing here. All right, got that. That'll generate an oxonium, correct? Water could also deprotonate this oxonium. There's lots of water around. Baby blue. What we got? We have this. Try to make a nicer ring though. CH2, CH2O comes to a C. What's on that C? We have an N with an H and an R group. That's going to be the product on the right. And what else do we have? We have an OH. I think we can finish this off. I'm going to make these products now. This one and this one. And how can we do such a thing? Got to take that H off. Got water. Got to protonate this, and I believe we just made a hydronium. I think if you want to be real good about it, you should protonate first, right? And then eliminate. And that should do it. Done. We've done this so many times now, right? Got a question though. Yeah, this is RNH2 here. Oh, R prime got, its distinction got lost, didn't it? Yeah. R prime's on the left. And this one's RNH2. And yeah. And this one's I'm missing an arrow. Oh no. Oh, I'm missing this arrow here. No, you were right. You are right. That was part of the red arrow sequence, wasn't it? You can't have two bonds to hydrogen. And I'm glad she caught me. Oh, I can't save either. These are desperate times. No mistakes allowed. Although, can I just borrow the jump drive from a student that was using a jump drive earlier? So we don't have to worry anymore. I'll give it back to you. I have to upload thing. Here we go. Uh-oh. It's a tricky little one. And we're just going to file save as and not look at her drive. Save as. She's down here. And start it. There you go. And we're going to set up a new one. I'm going to grab it from here. I'm still doing a video. Sorry about that. Thank you. Near the end.